So now that I've had some time for my samples to dry on different ways that I could experiment with connecting my shape, my original little flag shape, I'm gonna try to now figure out which one of these I like and which one of these I think I could continue building and expanding on. I don't think I'm a fan of this shape, so I'm pretty sure that's not one that I want to use. But I did still really like this shape, and I thought this might be something that I could explore. I really liked the repetition of those 3 triangles and how it makes one cohesive shape. And I thought about, what if I took another pair like that and then flipped it to have a really nice kind of symmetrical shape. And then I could take those, and what if I started to connect them, if I stood them up and connected them, you know, moving around in a circular shape? Or what if I started to connect them end to end and started to stack and rotate along a long edge? So I just thought, I don't know, this might have some interesting things that I wanted to explore. And maybe if I made a couple more of those, I might see what those look like. The next idea that I had was to glue them together along this long side, but prop them up to where there was space and they started to sort of rotate. So I tried one with 2 and then this one with 3. And just to sort of experiment, if I take, you know, this set and then this set and start to then attach all of those together, along that long edge, and let them sort of spiral. It almost looks like a little bit like a twisty, spiky spiral. So I thought that was kind of interesting, and I think that one has a lot of promise. I don't know, if I complete this where I offset each one by, you know, maybe I offset each one 1/2 inch or something from the next one to spread them out enough. Like this one right here, those 2 were too close, but if I had that one pulled up a little bit higher and then I had them rotate, it would kind of create a really cool rotation that I could almost go around and around. And so eventually, when I had enough of them, that cool spiral, it would rest on the edge of that spiral, which might be pretty neat. So I may experiment with that idea some more, but for now I have a bunch of my shapes made, and I think out of my ideas, this sort of spiraling effect is my favorite. So I think I'm going to continue and now start taking my individual shapes, and I definitely thought gluing them together in a pair first with a little paper spacer worked really well. So I think what I'll do next for the process is to take pairs and glue as many pairs together as I can in that formation where I fit them together. For each one, I may measure the distance from the bottom of this toothpick to the bottom of that one and give myself a consistent measurement, and then prop each one up and get a whole bunch of those dry, and then I'll be able to start putting them together into one larger spiral.